recording. Yeah. So the same. I announce, you're going to turn around, show basic, and then we show how to dance together. And that's it.
Remind me what foot I'm starting on. When I turn, it's same as you. So left foot forward,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. How to dance salsa basic step together. So I will ask Bailey to turn around. First, we do a basic salsa step. So we find our left leg. We do a 3 steps total. So we have 1 small step forward, 2 replace back, 3 together. Now from here, we're going to do 3 step backwards, starting with the right foot. Back, replace, together. Now we combine those 2 steps together. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. No, don't turn. Yeah.
Why did you turn?
Because I want to show them this angle. Yeah, don't turn. Always stay backward. Okay, let's do it again.
Wait, should I face here first?
Yeah. Let's learn how to dance salsa together. So let's ask Bailey to turn around so it's easy to follow. Now let's learn basic step first. So find your left leg. We're going to go forward. 1 step forward. With the right foot, we're replacing back, and with the left, we close. So let's repeat that again. So we go forward, back, together. Now here, find your right foot. Now with the right foot, we're going to go back. Back, replace, together. Let's do it again. Back, replace, together. Now let's combine those 2 steps together. So we're going forward. 1, 2, 3, and back. 5, 6, 7. Forward, back, together, back, forward, together, forward, back, together, back, forward, together. Now, once we know a basic step and we have a partner, we're going to hold hands in the middle, relaxed position. Hands could slightly move in a circular motion or just stay here. Either way, just relax. Now we repeat that step together. Now, how to start? For the leaders, we're going to start with our left foot. We're going to go forward. For the followers, right foot back. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then we repeat 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, second option how we can dance together. Instead of holding 2 arms here, we can have a classical hold, where my arm going around of my partner, resting here on the shoulder blade, and other arm here. So small frame, doesn't have to be too wide, small. And now remember to stay low, no bouncing, just stay flat, as small as possible steps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now a couple tips. So when you're in this frame, you want to dance in the frame. Try not to dance the frame. Leave frame as it is. Leave your connection as it is, only using your hips and legs. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is how to dance salsa together.
Okay.
Maybe let's do it. Let's try it with the music.
Yeah. You will add this?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it with the music. Let's do music. Yeah, I forgot to do music.
Salir de aquí. Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. La neta me ha ido mal y no sé